here, this is the home screen of the application, and at the top, this is pretty much my target to the amount of water that I should drink per day, and it will keep track of everything. So I can either add some of these as it relates to sports. I can add if you're doing sports, may need to drink an extra cup of water, and also if based on the weather, as you can see here, you can select based on whether the weather is kind of hot, I may need to drink an extra cup of water as well, as you can see here. So once you have selected, let's say, all of these set up here, and pretty much add the amount of water that you want to drink, and as well, all you have to do is just tap on the option here, the three dots beside of it. Once you have tapped on that option here, you can pretty much change how much amount of water you want to drink per day. And once you have done that, you just tap on OK and OK for here, and you're pretty much good to go. And down here now, you may see a plus icon here. This is pretty much once you drink a cup of water, you should pretty much add it or plus on the plus icon here, so it can take and record for you. Also down here, you may see a cup icon. You may need to tap on that as well, as it relates to the cup sizes and everything. Let's say you drink water from one of these bottles. Let's say for this one here, you drink water from that bottle. Then you may need to change it to that instead of that there. So as you can see here, my water intake is pretty much going up. And once I've completed that, I'm pretty much good to go. 3 lines over here, nothing much, just report on the cup of water that I drank from yesterday. And also today, it also does report on how consistent you are in drinking water. And down here, so it does keep track of how much water you drink today and even the month. So yearly, weekly, and monthly. So it will keep track of everything. So do make sure you drink water, guys. And down here you have the pro option, will does give you a remove ads feature. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. So if I miss anything else, please comment below. I'd love to help you out. See you in the next one.